Okay, guys. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Matty V. Today we're reviewing the AUXITO LED lights. So they sent me to review this. I'm not sponsored, so let's open up the first little box we got over here. And here they sent me a what appears to be, you put this on your windshield, a decal, which I'm probably right. And I am absolutely right. They sent me 2 decals to put on my car, or, which I'll explain in a later video what I'm going to do with them, but 2 decals to put on my car. And in this box right here, apparently we got gloves to install it. I guess some kind of instructions, product manual, some zip ties, some rings, installation kit, like tools, and then the plug and play unit. So that's how they look like over here. So let's grab one out and I'll show you guys what they look like. They would go into a socket where instead of your original headlights. So let's get them installed. So unfortunately I cannot install these on my Mazda because my Mazda has custom Spec D headlights. And these Spec D headlights, they have a custom halogen bulb. You can buy them at AutoZone, but this won't work because this is a high beam. I got one light bulb for low beam and high beam. So whenever I do high beam, it somehow gets brighter. And this will not do that, that's for sure. So I'm gonna install it on one of my family members' cars. Okay guys, so here's a Jetta. That's the high beam. Time to change those lights. It's giveaway time, and what I'm giving away, guys, is a super clean spray bottle and a super clean aerosol that dissolves grease very fast and works in almost everything. It makes everything super clean. All you guys have to do is there's gonna be a link in the description below. You gotta click on that link. It will lead you to one of my videos. You gotta watch the video, or if you don't want to watch the video, it's up to you. But click that link below. You gotta subscribe to my channel, and under the comments in that video, you are going to type in super clean 24 all caps, and at December 24th or 25th, one of those days, I am going to release a shorts video. So click the notification bell, that way you don't miss out of who the giveaway winner is. Unfortunately, guys, it does not fit on the Jetta, but it fits on this Honda Odyssey just perfect. I'll show you the before and after you get installed, just so you know. For cooling, this has a little fan in there, and it connects easily to a Honda Odyssey, or probably any Honda, honestly. Right, number 2 time to install. So guys, on the Honda Odyssey, it's not a quick install. You got to take off a whole bunch of like the intake duct, and you got to take out the battery just to be able to get to the high beam on the driver's side. Yeah, once it's in place, what you do is just like you're replacing any other high beam bulb. Easy, you can just replace it in. You just twist and lock in place and be good to go. This side was a lot easier because you can actually stick your hand through that area. So the extra tools that they have, guys, they have, or not tools, you can zip tie. It's not professional, but I have to cut that extra zip tie off. But anyway, you can zip tie the extra wire away so it doesn't hit any belts or mess around with any other wires. Now, this Honda is a little bit tricky to install, but the lights are good. Just wait until we turn them on and you'll see how good it actually looks. But the fact that it fits on this Honda and this generation of Honda, it probably fits on any Honda. So I could successfully say these LED high beams do fit on Hondas or any cars that have this type of fitting. Oh, they're bright. Look how bright they are. Do it again. Yeah, they're bright. Ooh. Very bright. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064. Turn lights. driving attempt on the 6 Series.